How to track an object on DaVinci Resolve. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and import the video that you want to choose. Then here, in my case, I'm gonna choose this video. For example, this is a video of moving cars, and now I wanna track this car in the back, just exactly this one. So I'm gonna track it till I finish the scene. Then I'm gonna cut the scene just right here, just in order to track the car till it ends or till it dissipates from the scene. So now it starts to disappear, as you can see, and now it disappeared. Now I'm gonna click on the track like so, or the video itself. Then I'm gonna click on fusion, and now you want to go and click on or press on Control plus spacebar, and it will show here this option. Click on planner tracker, just one click, then click on add, and now you want to go and choose from which frame do you want to start your motion. So I'm gonna choose the 5th frame, for example. Then I'm gonna click on the planner tracker. Then I'm gonna go and click on set on the top right side, and after that you want to choose here this option, hybrid point slash area. Then this option here, choose translation, and now you want to make sure that you have a box beside this object or around this object. So I'm gonna make this box, for example, just like so. And now we want to go and click on this button. So now it starts tracking. As you can see, it is now tracking the car in the back of the scene, the behind one. So it will keep tracking it. You just have to wait till it finishes and till the video finishes exactly at this frame, for example. And now you want to go and click on this option, then click on stabilize, and now you want to go to edit and see how you have the result. So now in order to fix this black line, you should do some modifications in the motion and zoom. So I'm gonna move the motion a little bit, then move the zoom like so. So I'm gonna zoom like this. So you should adjust it till you find the better results. As you can see, this one is the best. Now let me show you exactly how it works and how does it look. It looks perfect, to be honest. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.